Assalamualaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 2 on the topic of rearrange. I am repeating, today our topic is rearrange. Students, this is our 15th lecture and 14th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 15th lecture and 14th homework. Students, for today's class, take your notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss about some rearrange, that means these are jumbled, and we'll arrange all this. You have to pick them in your notebook. So let's begin. Our today's topic is rearrange. Here we'll do 1 to 10. That means 10 rearrange. Look, our first number is U R L Y L G R E A. These are jumbled letters. You have to make a meaningful word with these jumbled letters. Students, can you guess what will be the word? Think about it. Okay, I'm writing the answer. If we arrange the letters, we'll find the word regularly. The word will be regularly, and the spelling is R E G U L A R L Y. Regularly. The spelling is R E G U L A R L Y. So the word is regularly. Next, number 2. The jumbled letters are P L E E S. Student, can you arrange the word? Can you make a meaningful word with these letters? Okay, the word will be sleep. Look, S L E P, sleep. I'm writing here S L E P, sleep. Again, say with me, S L E P, sleep. Number 3, here we find a sentence. The words are jumbled. You have to arrange all the words and have to make a meaningful sentence. The words are love, my, mother, I. So if we arrange all this, we'll find I love my mother. So you have to write the correct answer. I love my mother. Mother. So the sentence will be I love my mother. Now come to number 4. This is also a sentence, but in jumbled situation. You have to arrange them and have to make a proper sentence. So if we write, we'll find there, T-H-E-R-E, there, then are. There are, subject, then verb. There are how many months? 12. So you have to write 12. There are 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12, then months. M-O-N-T-H-S, months. There are 12 months in a year. Y-E-A-R, year. So we have to write there are 12 months in a year, then our sentence will be meaningful. Number 5, B-A-T-L-E-G-E-E-B. Students, this will be a word. Can you arrange? Okay, you have to arrange the letters and have to make a meaningful word. I hope you can guess the word. Yes, this will be vegetable. The spelling is V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E. Vegetable. So the word will be vegetable. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E. Vegetable. Now come to number 6. This also a word. You have to arrange all the letters and have to make a meaningful word. This will be a name of month. Can you guess? There are 12 months, and which month is it? Okay, this will be September. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September. Students, here S will be capital and E will be small letter. September. Now come to number 7. Hungry, are, very, they. So if we arrange the letters or these words, we'll find a meaningful sentence. So we have to write, they are very hungry. I'm writing T-H-E-Y. They are very hungry. H-U-N-G-R-Y. Hungry. They are very hungry. Number 8. From, are, where, you. And at the end of the sentence, you have to give a question mark. And we have to start with question word where. Where are you from? So I'm writing W-H-E-R-E. Where are you from? F-R-O-M. From. If we find question mark, so we must have to put question mark here. Don't forget to give this sign. So our sentence will be, where are you from? Now come to number 9. Draw, can, Sheila, picture, nice. If we arrange all the words, we'll find Sheila is H-I-L-A. Sheila can, C-A-N, can draw, D-R-A-W, draw. Sheila can draw nice picture, P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. Sheila can draw nice picture. Now come to number 10. Some, the, do. Students, this is very easy. Can you guess what will be the sentence? Okay, your teacher or your parents always say you to do this. I hope you can guess. Okay, I'm writing do, the, some is U-M, some. So sentence will be do the sum. Students, now I'm giving your homework. Your homework will be rearrange. I'm repeating, your homework will be rearrange from 1 to 5. Students, here I want to mention one thing. No need to write the question, just write the answer. That means the correct words and sentences. From 1 to 5, you will write the only answers. No need to write these jumbled letters or sentences. Only answer. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Our lecture number is 15 and homework number is 14. And the submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.